Hello guys, good morning. Another day here in Osaka and we're heading out to Kyoto. Just gonna visit one location in Kyoto, which is the bamboo forest. Yeah, so I've never been to the bamboo forest. Last year we went to Kyoto, but we went to Arashiyama and Fushimi Inari. But this time we're gonna go to the bamboo forest. Yeah, so that's our plan today, so please join us. We're here now in the Arashiyama ramen. How do you want? Number not two?
Number two.
Two.
Number two.
Yes.
That's all.
That's all? So guys, this is
I like the buses. The buses
the buses like gives you like the local feel, right? Yeah. We even haven't tried the omakase experience. You haven't tried the omakase experience, right? Like this, we were sitting on a bar, and then the chef is in front of us, and basically just handing us the food by like course. Well, first course you eat, and then you just like the guy last night. Yeah, it's omakase. You haven't even tried that.
Yeah, that'll be good, I reckon. It'll be nice.
Let's see if later we still have time to do omakase.
I didn't realize there's so much to eat.
I know.
We could have left so early.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's our ramen. It's Chashu ramen. Nice. And we're sitting in a bar. You cannot get more local than this. Try it out. Yeah, it is different, right? It's more like soy sauce taste. And then you can taste the fat on the soup. Guys, you can see there's like chunks of fats on the soup. Sarap guys, sarap. Hey guys, I added the chili oil. It actually adds more depth to the food. It's more exciting. So look at the aftermath of my bowl. It's finished. The name of the restaurant is Arashiyama. Tenryu ramen. Arashiyama Tenryu ramen. I'll put it here. Ding. See? Yeah. This I only see this in the vlog. The mountain and the river here at the bridge. I forgot what's the name of this bridge. Hey guys, our first time trying this rickshaw. Okay. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. No, it's like, oh wow, oh. Let's go. Bye. You know how heavy it is? It's like pulling our weights, man.
Yeah, no, bro.
You see, this is like upslope, uphill.
Yeah, it's insane.
The one he let go, we're dead. Now we're here. Hi. Now we're in the bamboo forest. And you see, this is the do not enter. And we're gonna enter in the do not enter. Oh, I told you, this is like the secret path.
No way.
Oh,
You gotta You keep it up, bro. You got
the secret path, yeah. The rest of the other people are on that side. Wow. It's like riding a ride in Universal Studios. Guys, yeah. Difficult. His legs are so strong now. I really like that coat. I like that coat. Wow, it's so good.
Yeah, so good.
I must see the. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Is it warm? Do you know another Japanese word?
Oh, I know. I don't.
Oh,
Yari yari desu. Ara ara, ara ara.
oh my.
Ara ara. Anyway. Oh, this is Arabica. You know Arabica? Yeah, that one, Arabica.
Yeah.
Do you have that in Australia?
Yeah. That's our like main. Oh, whoa.
They're dredging. Or? Oh, they're dredging. They're making it deeper.
Yeah.
And guys, we're just done with the rickshaw, and it was a rickshaw experience, and it was really good.
Not bad.
We just feel bad. Like I feel like we're so heavy. Just now we were like, because there's this two Chinese lady, and then they said in Chinese that, hey, two guys so heavy. Basically, they said that in Chinese, which I can't understand. They said the two guys heavy. But I think anyway, he's been doing this for 7 years. But it was good experience, guys. So if you want to visit here, the bamboo forest, I think you should take the rickshaw because you get through the secret paths where the rest of the crowds are not allowed to enter. And then you're just sitting, basically.
It depends on what package you get.
Oh yeah, you can get the 1 hour.
Yeah.
We got the 1 hour, and then at least it's like riding a what?
Like a horse.
The horse.
But yeah.
Here. It's good, guys. Nah.
They even take your photos and.
Oh yeah, and the photos are so good. I didn't even know my phone can take those kind of photos. We're just looking around for something to try, like food. Then maybe we'll be back nasa Osaka. Here, trying out the mamemono to taiyaki. Taiyaki pa ang tawag dito, guys. Yung sa parang isda na may palaman. Yung pastry na may palaman. Getting this royal custard. We have the food now, which is this one. Custard. And then I ordered some latte. Here. Let's try it out. But it's very hot. Ang init, guys. Mainit. Mainit. Sobra. Grabe. It's really freshly baked. Sarap, guys. Sarap. So sorry guys, hindi ko na na-vlog. While we're walking back to the station, we saw this local hand-woven shop. They have all those kind of like modern, like kimono in a way. And I bought something. Because ito yung suot ko siya ngayon. You can wear this like maybe as over your, let's say your tops, like shirt. So we're going back to the city, to Osaka. Some dining. What are you looking at? Some dinjins. So we're gonna go for dinjins. Okay, we're back in Osaka, and now we're going to Yukaku for dinner. Diba? Yeah, you know when somebody's hungry when somebody's singing Chinese already. It's like chanting some Chinese already. I don't understand. Ayan guys, andito na kami sa Yukaku. And ang ganda ng area namin. Nakaupo kami sa parang tatami. Ang galing. So dito yung overlooking yung Dotonbori River dun sa baba. So ito yung grill. Okay guys, andito na yung meat namin. amazing. Go, go.
Let's go. Let's
See.
Yum. Oh, yum.
Sarap guys, sarap. Hello guys, we're done with the Yukaku and it was good. Yakiniku like for us is actually much better choice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like this one
Does
does
any-
taste good,
Yeah.
but it's just like, it's missing that, like, something special.
Yeah, and then the condiments as well.
Yeah.
They only have this one and then the soy sauce. I enjoyed it. To be honest, like it's really satisfying. The meat was good. It's just that, of course, it's always better, right? I mean, so we're just gonna rank. Maybe this one is, of course, below yakiniku like, but yakiniku, I think this one is not that bad. So, what's your rating?
I would say this would be like it's still good. Like I love it.
Yeah.
I'll say this is like an 11 out of 10.
Oh, still 11 out of 10. It's still
pretty
exceeding.
good.
It's
It's
still
still
exceeding
pretty-
10.
still exceeding.
But this guy just always like score more than 10. But that says a lot, right? If it's 11 out of 10, then yeah. So that's all. That's our rating for this Yukaku. If you want to find it, where is this? I'm just gonna put the address here. Guys, yeah, thank you so much for joining me for today. I was gonna head back to the hotel and start packing our stuff. And yeah, so this is probably our last day in Japan. No. We're going back to reality. Oh man, every vacation always has an end. Oh no. Okay, bye guys, this is the last, I think this is the last vlog because tomorrow is just basically just the airport. So thank you so much for joining us for this whole Japan vlog. Yes, and then again, please stay tuned again for my next vlog series in, I don't know, Australia or New Zealand. Let's say their place. And maybe we can go back to Japan again next year. Maybe probably Hokkaido next year. Bye guys!
媚びを垂れて佃え切腹せよ